What we're building here is a new factory, the new Victorian service centre for Bluescope Steel for processing coiled steel. My name's Mark Scott. I've been engaged by Bluescope to look after the mechanical and civil design, construction and installation of a new automated slitting line, automated packaging line and automated recoil line for coiled steel. Originally, Coron did the feasibility budget pricing. From there we progressed to the design, producing all the construction drawings and shop drawings, and then we engaged them a bit further down the track to actually do the construction.
This particular installation is a high-tech installation. They've gone to such a level of automation on this, and what happens with automation is there's a lot of cabling. It's all the services that you need to get to each piece of equipment. This design was to capture all those services and put them underground.
The building we are building these new lines in is an old hot strip mill roll shop with very heavy duty slabs for very heavy machines, which had to be broken up.
To get the 600mm depth that we required, we had to get in some large mega saws to cut that concrete into squares, and then we used a 30-ton breaker to get rid of those blocks.
One of our biggest challenges was actually producing our looping pit, which is an 8 metre deep pit into a water table that's only, I think, 6 metres deep. So the challenges there involved actually reducing that water table, which proved very stubborn. Coron offered all the solutions for both construction of that pit, dewatering of that pit, and basically producing an end result that was actually very, very good.
This particular project was all done by CAD documentation. All steelwork, all angles were all shop detailed, ready to install.
There's a lot of very complex shapes, complex embedded steelwork within that concrete. To actually put together that sequence of pours to do that efficiently and effectively and produce a good outcome at the end. One of the benefits that we found dealing with Coron, they're very easy to deal with in regards to accepting what we need and understanding what we need and being able to provide the service that we require. Their safety record also has been quite exemplary. We've literally done thousands of hours of very high risk work. We've had no serious incidents on site, no near misses, no injuries at all. We built this on the back of the COVID pandemic. To Coron's credit, they've soldiered through this. We haven't been hit with any extra cost as a result of that, and that's a feather in their cap too. To do this kind of work, I Google searched quite a number of companies around Melbourne, but to find somebody who had actually done work similar to what we've done here was a very, very rare find. It was clear by their project briefs that they had done a fair bit of that work in the past, and I'd definitely recommend them for this type of work.